it's Mina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make coconut chips. I just want you to know that coconut meat contains large amount of medium chain fatty acids. So it's a type of saturated fat that is much easier for the human body to digest than animal fats. So let's replace our regular chips to a healthy snack like coconut chips, so that it will be easy for us to digest. Okay, so let's start. So what I have here is a cracked mature coconut. So to take out the flesh from the shell, just insert the tip of the knife in between the meat and the shell, and then gently twist the knife to lift the meat, like that. But if your coconut is very dry, this will be a lot easier to do, like that. Okay, so now we're going to shave the coconut using a peeler. Okay, so you will notice that I did not remove the brown skin in the coconut. I just want it to be more natural, or add a color to the coconut. But if you like it, like to remove the skin, the brown skin, you can use a peeler to remove all the brown skin. So after we remove the skin or the brown skin, we just have to shave it using the peeler and then set aside. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to add some flavor to the coconut. So let's start with the skin on. So I need at least 2 to 3 cups of shaved coconut. Okay, you can use a dried coconut too if you cannot find mature coconut, and then save this without the skin for later use. So the first flavor I'm going to make is salted caramel. So I'm gonna use salted caramel syrup. Then I will add a tablespoon for now, and we'll add more later. And then half a tablespoon of organic coconut oil. And then using a spatula, just mix your coconut thoroughly, or you can use gloves to coat it evenly. So I'm gonna add additional 1 tablespoon of caramel syrup and mix it well. On a parchment lined baking sheet, we're gonna spread the coconut evenly. Okay, so preheat the oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and then bake it for at least 30 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, so our second flavor would be cinnamon sugar. So I'm gonna use the one without the skin. Okay, I'm just gonna add coconut oil, brown sugar, and cinnamon, and then mix it well using spatula or gloves to coat it evenly. And then spread the coconut out on a parchment lined baking sheet, and make sure that you spread the coconut evenly on the baking sheet to ensure even baking. Okay, so start on the lower end of the baking time and check every minute or so to avoid burning. I always pull out after 15 minutes just to make sure it's not burning, and then mix it, mix it so that it won't burn. Okay, and then put it back in the oven, and if you need to add more time just to make it evenly, you may do that. Okay, so now we have our freshly baked coconut chips, which is really good. This is the caramel flavor, the salted caramel. Okay, so you can store your coconut in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week. And then this is good for a snack, or you can serve it over your yogurt or oatmeal, or in cereal, or you can put it on your salad. Okay, so this is the one with the cinnamon sugar, so I separated it. Okay, so I hope you liked the video for today. I hope you learned something for today, and thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.